Disk Space Analyzer is a helpful tool for Mac that allows you to see what is taking up space on your hard drive. Here's how to use the app. Launch Disk Space Analyzer. In the sidebar, you will see your Mac hard drive, external and network disks, and favorite folders. Select the disk or folder you want to scan and click Start Scanning. When the scan is finished, you will see a sunburst diagram showing your disk space usage. Hover over the sections on the diagram to see data about file sizes and the dates they were last modified. By clicking on each section on the diagram or in the Folders outline panel, you can explore your disk usage in more detail. In the Outline panel, you can see the list of the biggest files on your disk in descending order. Then, you can remove large and unused files or move them to external storage. To free up space on your Mac, do the following. Explore your folders and files and select the rarely used ones. At the bottom of the app window, you can see the total number of selected items and their total volume. Click to remove, move, or copy the selected items. Disk Space Analyzer allows you to scan any disk and folder, and even cloud storage. Click Add Folder in the left panel. Choose an item and click Add. Scan it and see what's taking space on your disk or in your folder. Disk Space Analyzer is the best solution to target the largest files and folders on your Mac and free up space.